In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss by month report in QuickBooks Online. If you've been looking to get a clear, month-by-month snapshot of your business's financial performance, then you're in the right place. This report is a handy tool for understanding the ins and outs of your revenue and expenses, and it's much easier to generate than you might think. Let's dive right in to see how it works. First, navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you'll find the Reports section. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the main Reports interface, which is your gateway to an assortment of detailed financial insights. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll need to move over to the Standard Reports tab, which houses a variety of pre-configured reports that QuickBooks offers. With that done, it's time to use the search function. Just type in Profit and Loss by Month, and the system will swiftly bring up the relevant report options. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking for something specific and don't want to navigate through a long list of templates. Once you see the Profit and Loss by Month report in the search results, simply click on it. QuickBooks Online will then begin to process your request. You might see a little bit of loading time, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal as the system compiles your data into the report format. And there you have it, a detailed profit and loss by month report ready for your review. But we're not quite finished yet. The real power of this report lies in its customization options. Head over to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust the date range to cover any specific period you're interested in analyzing, whether it's the past year, last quarter, or any custom range you need. Plus, you can choose which columns to include, allowing you to tailor the report to highlight the categories that are most relevant to your business goals. This customization feature means you can adjust the report to exactly fit your needs and get the most meaningful insights for your decision-making. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, strategizing for the next quarter, or just curious about your financial trends, this report setup will be invaluable. That wraps it up for today. You've successfully generated and customized a profit and loss by month report in QuickBooks Online, equipping yourself with a powerful tool for financial management. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough empowers you to keep making informed, strategic decisions for your business. See you next time on the channel for more QuickBooks